I haven't been feeling like sewing. I made this shirt a while ago. I mean like years ago. It's a new look pattern. And then I have on these Vogue barrel jeans. And then this jacket that I bought retail. I don't know what it is, but I haven't been feeling like sewing. I just bought a new pair of socks and there's still the plastic little tag inside. I thought I got it out. The last thing I made was a white skirt, and that's been it. And I think that was probably last week or so. So it hasn't really been all that long that I haven't been feeling like sewing. But yeah, I realize that is how I'm feeling right now. I don't have any fabric, which is not unusual for me. But what I do usually do is figure out what I want to sew next and then go out and buy fabric. But what I'm going to do today is go to the fabric store, look around, just browse, get out the house. And if I see some fabric that I like, I'm going to actually pick it up this time instead of like waiting to have a pattern or project in mind. And maybe that'll motivate me. Maybe that'll get me in the mood to sew. I had to go back in the house to pick up a fork because I decided I want to stop and get some pineapple. I love eating fruit when I'm in the mood. Like sometimes I'm not in the mood. I guess that's probably with everything. But this morning I was like, yeah, I think I want some pineapple. So that's what I'm going to do. Usually when I finish one sewing project, I already know what I want to do next, or I already have like a project in mind. Because I was thinking about it and I was like, yeah, a week is really not that long to not feel like sewing. But it feels like a long time for me and how I normally like to do things. So I can tell when things are off and I'm not feeling like, you know, doing what I normally do. This is the first time I'm eating today. Let's see what time it is. It's 11 o'clock. So yeah, it's time. So the store I'm going to is called Fabric Outlet and Crafts. I love that store and I haven't been there in a while, so I'm really excited to see if they have anything new in store. Also, Fabric Outlet and Crafts. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the store where I bought the corduroy fabric. So I'm hoping that they have some more of that. I was looking at this, kind of thinking about getting this. It's a knit, but I think this would make like a cute dress. They have this bin. It is, I don't know if that's $1.99 or $1 a yard. I don't know what that is, but you can go through here and just pick out whatever you want. It would be nice if I found some denim in here. I would love that. I wouldn't mind finding something like this to make another bucket hat. There's a lot in here. The corduroy I purchased before was up here. I don't see it anymore. They have a lot of denim though. corduroy, but there's not that much left on the boat, so I don't think I'm gonna get it because I kind of wanted to make a jacket, but there's no way I can get a jacket with just this amount. They do have this. I don't think I want this color, and I don't want to dye anything, so yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on the corduroy. May I have 3 yards of each, please? Sure. So when I'm buying fabric, if I don't know what I want to make with it, I usually get 3 yards. And I figured I could always find something to make with denim. However, when the lady was rolling out the denim, she said it was only, I think, 2.5 yards. So I was like, oh, okay, never mind. So I ended up pulling out my phone and I was like, okay, let me think about this. What pattern do I want to make? What pattern have I been thinking about? And I decided on Simplicity 9113, I think is what it is. So I put the denim back, or she put the denim back, and then I went and just got this faux linen chocolate brown fabric. And I think I'm just going to make that Simplicity pattern and then lengthen it to a dress. So I feel excited now. I feel inspired or re-inspired. Now I don't know when I'm gonna sew. I'm not saying I'm gonna go home and jump right back into it because I don't know how I'll feel when I get there. But I know at some point that feeling will come back around. And at least I have some fabric for when that does happen. Have you all heard that Popeyes has pickled items for a limited time? So I picked up some pickles, fried pickles. I love fried pickles. So when I heard that Popeyes had them, I was like, oh yes, I gotta try them. So let me see. I'm going home after I leave here. They're hot. I like them. I think they're really good. Okay. That'd be a nice little snack for my ride home. I decided to sew something that didn't have a lot of pattern pieces, so I picked McCall's 8058 for the black and white knit fabric. I made the length of view C with the neckline of view D. I'll go ahead and link a video below sharing exactly how I like to go about matching up my stripes. I did deepen this curve here on the front and back pieces when I was cutting the pattern out, and that was the only change I made to the pattern. And now I just want to cut into this seam since it is a curved area. There were only 3 pattern pieces, and then I did decide to add some extra wide double fold bias tape to the hem just to kind of, give it a little something different. A little fabric retail therapy definitely helped get me back into the mood to sew again. Real easy make. So I'm really happy with it. And I have a decent amount of striped fabric left, which I love. So I know for sure I can get something else out of this. I have something in mind, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But I am thinking about maybe a top, but we'll see. And then I did wash my other fabric, which is the linen-like fabric. So I have this to work on. I'll probably make something out of this next. So these 2 pieces will keep me busy for a little while. I wore my dress to church today, but you know what? I had on this jacket, which is a Simplicity pattern. It's a shacket that I lengthened. I never even took my jacket off, so yeah, the dress was under here, but nobody would even know it, which is fine. I just had the jacket on because I was chilly, and then I was chilly in the service, and I just never even took the jacket off. But yeah, we're on our way home. My husband stopped to pick up some donuts. Let me see what he got.
you didn't want one, but I got that one for you.
You got me one?
Yeah.
That was so nice of you. What is it? What kind is it?
It's a regular.
A regular? Oh, a regular glaze. I got my own special donut. Oh, that was so nice of him.
Why don't you show the people you eat it?
Maybe later, maybe not. We'll see.